Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to delete a story on Snapchat. To delete a story on Snapchat, firstly open your Snapchat application. After that, tap on your profile at the top left corner of your screen. You can see that you have added a story on My Story section. Now tap on the story that you have added. After that, tap on three dotted icon at the top right corner of your screen. You can see various options like delete, save, export or send in Snap. Now tap on delete. Now tap on delete again to confirm. You can see that our snap has been deleted. So this is how you will be able to delete a snap in Snapchat. If you found this video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a like. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press that notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming videos from us. Thank you and see you in next video.